Most people think in opinions, not mechanisms. But opinions don't explain how the world actually works.
Those who understand the mechanism can build real systems.
You can think in opinions, or you can think in mechanisms.
Most people reason by analogy. Elon Musk doesn't. He breaks problems down to physics, costs, and constraints that cannot be disputed. This is first principles reasoning, a cognitive method where assumptions are stripped away until only undeniable truths remain. From there, solutions are rebuilt from zero. That's why Musk questioned battery prices, rocket materials, and manufacturing norms that others accepted for decades. He refused to optimize broken systems. He redesigned them. You can use this immediately. Take a problem that feels impossible. Write what everyone assumes is fixed. Then ask, what must be true, even if opinions disappear? What decision would change if you stopped reasoning by analogy today? But breaking a problem down isn't enough. The real question now is, how do we explain what remains? Most people debate opinions. Elon Musk interrogates mechanisms. This is mechanistic reasoning, a cognitive approach where outcomes are explained through cause and effect systems, not authority, consensus, or confidence. Reality decides, not voices. When Musk evaluates ideas, he asks how the system actually works. Forces, materials, failure points. If the mechanism survives scrutiny, the idea moves forward. If not, no argument saves it. You can apply this today. Take one disagreement you're stuck in. Ignore who is right. Ask how the system produces the outcome. Test the mechanism, not the narrative. What belief would collapse if you demanded a working mechanism behind it? Understanding the mechanism changes how you see reality, but it only matters when you turn that understanding into a system. Most people build products in isolation. Elon Musk builds systems that reinforce themselves. This is systems thinking, a cognitive framework where parts are designed to interact, adapt, and compound value over time. Optimization happens at the system level, not the component level. Tesla isn't just a car. It's energy storage, software, data, and manufacturing, feeding one loop. SpaceX isn't just rockets. It's launch, reuse, cost control, and iteration, locked into one system. You can apply this now. Look at one project you run. Identify inputs, outputs, and feedback loops. Strengthen the connections, not the features. Let the system do the heavy lifting. What would scale faster if you stopped improving parts and redesigned the whole? But building a system isn't enough. The real advantage comes from controlling the parts the system depends on. Most companies outsource to move faster. Elon Musk internalizes to move deeper. This is vertical integration, a system strategy where critical components are designed, built, and optimized in-house. Control replaces dependency. Learning compounds across the entire system. Musk refused to rely on suppliers who optimized for profit, not performance. By owning batteries, software, hardware, and manufacturing, he removed bottlenecks that others accepted. Speed came from coordination, not contracts. You can apply this at your scale. Identify one dependency slowing your progress. Learn the basics behind it. Bring the most critical step under your control. Reduce handoffs before chasing efficiency. What would accelerate if you owned the system instead of renting it? What you've seen here isn't about rockets, cars, or companies. It's about how complex systems actually work beneath the surface. Most people stop at understanding. But understanding alone doesn't change outcomes. What matters is what you build from that understanding, what you control inside the system, and what you stop depending on. Because once you see the mechanism clearly, you're no longer reacting to the system, you're shaping it.
Master your mind. Master your life. This is Life Mastery Series,